Ever turn the key and your car doesn't feel right? Strange sounds, vibrations, warning lights. Engine failures warned first. On Fixpro Garage, spot them early and save thousands. Watch dashboard lights. Check engine light means sensor issue or misfire. Oil pressure light signals low oil. Temp light warns of overheating. Use OBD2 scanner. Unusual sounds like knocking, ticking, squealing are key indicators. Knocking points to wear or low oil. Ticking indicates valve issues, squealing from worn belts. Check any new sound now. Exhaust smoke warns. White means coolant, blue burning oil, black excess fuel. Don't ignore rough idling, power loss, or jerking while driving. Check oil, coolant, belts for leaks or wear. Burning oil, sweet coolant. Fuel smells signal trouble. Poor mileage, air filter or sensor issue. Stop if overheating, knocking, flashing lights, heavy smoke. Catch signs early to save thousands. Now let's get started. Your dashboard isn't just for speed, it's your car's way of shouting for help. Those glowing symbols are urgent messages from your car's brain, the ECU, telling you something needs attention. When a warning light comes on, don't ignore it. Each one has a specific meaning and could save you from a costly repair. The check engine light, for example, means the ECU has found a fault, anything from a loose fuel cap to a failing catalytic converter. If you see the oil pressure warning light, stop immediately. Running without oil can destroy your engine in minutes. The coolant temperature light signals overheating. Pull over, let the engine cool, and check your coolant before driving further. The battery light means your electrical system isn't charging. If you ignore it, your car could soon lose power completely. These lights are your car's first line of defense. Understanding them and acting quickly can keep your car healthy and save you from breakdowns. Always check your manual for symbol meanings and never hesitate to get professional help if you're unsure. You don't need to be a mechanic to do basic checks under the bonnet. A few simple steps can help you spot issues before they become expensive problems. Start by checking your engine oil. The level should be between the MN and max marks, and the oil should look clear, never gritty, milky, or dark. Dirty oil can mean it's time for a change, or there's a bigger issue. Next, inspect the coolant reservoir. Always do this when the engine is cold to avoid burns. The coolant should be at the correct level and free of debris. Low coolant often means a leak. Never open the cap when hot. Steam can cause serious injury. Examine belts and hoses for cracks, fraying, or bulges. Squeeze hoses. They should feel firm, not spongy or rock hard. Replace any that feel weak or look damaged. Check under your car for leaks. Oil leaves dark patches, while coolant is usually green, orange, or pink. Use a flashlight to scan the engine bay for loose wires, worn parts, or anything unusual. These checks only take a few minutes but can save you from major repairs down the road. Make it a habit to do a quick check every couple of weeks and keep a log of what you find. Early detection is your best defense against breakdowns. Peace of mind is just a quick check away. Your engine will thank you. A healthy engine purrs smoothly. Any new noise is a clue. High-pitched squealing, likely a worn or loose belt. Fix it before you lose vital systems. Tapping or clicking from the top of the engine. Check your oil level. Low oil or poor circulation can cause serious damage. Deep knocking from below. That's rod knock, a sign of failing bearings and impending engine failure. Roaring or hissing as you accelerate, you might have an exhaust leak. Dangerous fumes could enter the cabin. Any of these noises mean it's time to investigate, not ignore. Catching them early can save your engine and your wallet. Listen closely. Your car is telling you what it needs. Don't wait for a breakdown to pay attention. Your exhaust is a window into your engine's health, offering clues through color, smell, and even sound. Thin white vapor on a cold day is normal condensation, but thick, persistent white smoke, especially with a sweet smell, means coolant is leaking into the engine, often from a blown head gasket. This can lead to overheating and severe engine damage if ignored. Blue or gray smoke signals oil burning, usually from worn piston rings, valve seals, or turbocharger issues. You might also notice a burnt oil smell. If you see this, check your oil level frequently and get your engine inspected soon. Black smoke means too much fuel is being burned, often due to a clogged air filter, faulty fuel injectors, or a malfunctioning sensor. You may also smell unburned fuel or notice poor fuel economy. Listen for odd exhaust noises too. Popping or hissing can mean leaks or misfires. All these signs point to issues needing quick attention. Glance at your exhaust regularly. Clear is good, colored plumes or strange smells are not. Spotting changes early can save you from costly repairs. Your exhaust gives you a visual and sensory report on your engine's condition. Don't ignore what you see, smell, or hear. Always check your rearview mirror for unusual exhaust. Catching these signs early can keep your engine running strong. How your car feels is a huge clue to its health. Loss of power or sluggish acceleration could be a clogged filter or failing fuel pump. New vibrations through the wheel or pedals might be engine mounts or a misfire. Rough or erratic idle. Check your spark plugs, sensors, or for vacuum leaks. Hard starting or rough shutdown. Battery, starter, or fuel system could be at fault. Any change in feel is your car's way of telling you something's wrong. Don't ignore these sensations. Act before a small issue becomes a big one. Trust your instincts behind the wheel. Your nose can spot engine trouble fast. Sweet smell, that's coolant. Likely a leak in the heater or cooling system. Burning oil means a leaking valve cover gasket. Fix it before it's a fire risk. Burning rubber, check for slipping belts, loose hoses, or clutch problems. Smell petrol, that's a fuel leak. Don't drive, get help now. Strange smells are early warnings, don't ignore them. Each odor signals a specific issue. Use your nose to catch problems early. If something smells wrong, check it out right away. Your nose can protect your car and your safety. The key takeaway? Pay attention to your car's signals. You don't need to be a mechanic, just stay aware and act early. Poor fuel economy can be a subtle warning. Track your mileage for changes. If a warning light comes on or you hear a loud knock, stop immediately and call for help. Don't risk a small problem turning into a disaster. Make checks and observations part of your routine. Listen for new noises, check your exhaust, and peek under the bonnet regularly. Early action saves money, stress, and keeps you safe. Look after your car, and it'll look after you. Happy motoring.